Thank you for joining me once again at Genius C Productions. Really appreciate it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. But if I wanna add salsa, I can go ahead and add salsa or jalapenos. You want jalapenos? I can go ahead and get some jalapenos in here. Make it taste better. Now, let's take a bite. Real good. Make this at home. This is really good. You can add shrimp to it. Alright. I had food in my mouth. Well, I couldn't talk. So, you can add shrimp to this quesadillas. You can add chicken. You can put any kind of ham, however you want to make them. And you will make a easy meal at home so you can put it right on your tummy. So, let me go ahead and add some jalapenos and I'll be right back. All right? Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add jalapenos. And this is the jalapenos right here. It's a lot. These are the jalapenos. Heard that? All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and add them to my quesadillas. 1, 2. You can add jalapenos if you want. I'm gonna add those 3. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite from this right here. Jalapeno. You wanna take a bite? You want some? They're really good. They're hot. They're kind of sweet, good flavor. My quesadilla has them already, right inside. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Another jalapeno. To drink, I'm gonna go ahead and drink water. Got a napkin. Salud. I'm gonna take another jalapeno. I'm not showing you the jalapeno. This is real food. Hot food, but real food. There's a jalapeno right there. I'm gonna take a bite out of it. Ow. Hey, you need to try this at home. This is really good. Real good. You can also make the quesadillas with corn tortillas if you want. There's a jalapeno right there. Delicious. The way it looked like. I'm gonna make the other one. There you go. Ready to consume. Take some more water. All right, guys, I am ready to eat the second quesadilla. Okay? The second quesadilla. Quesadilla. Right there. See the jalapenos? Ooh. 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 No, that's right. More jalapenos. These are good. Now, gonna eat more. My water. Just water. Better than any drink. Take another bite. Jalapeño. My water. Gotta drink water. That's what's left. This is a real nutritious food that you can make real easy at home. Homemade quesadillas. You can make this for yourself. You can make this for your kids. You can make this for work. You can make this to sell, make business, make cash. Hey, gotta do business here. I know that's right. So if you enjoy this video, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to share the video with everybody that you know. And I appreciate your support to Genius C Productions, your channel. Because this is all for you. Make sure to check out my stores at Genius C Productions and also at Ingenious Gift Shop. The links are down below in the description box below. And I thank you for your support for buying my products. All right, Genius C Productions has to do with my filming. Other than that, I thank you guys for watching, for your support to Genius C Productions, for liking my content. This is Eddie Cantu from Genius C Productions. See you in the next video.